What the frick? You guys hear that? That's very weird. Do you guys see that? That looks like a body. That looks like a body. Anyway, if this video can reach up to 5 likes, then if this video can reach up to 5 likes, then it won't kill me. If it doesn't, it's gonna kill me. And if you don't like it or dislike it, I mean, don't dislike it. If you guys like it, then all this weird stuff won't come for you. All this weird noise. I think I'm gonna go inside now. See you later. Bye.